Hello student, in this video I am going to talk about Symbiosis for their PGDM courses. I am going to review their establishment, NAAC grading, placement, their fees and everything. So I am going to start from their establishment. So Symbiosis established in 1971. Then the NAAC grading, so it is having A++ NAAC grading, A++ NAAC grading. Then the fees, so for PGDM your fees will be around 20 lakhs for 2 years. Then the reputation, so as you know, Symbiosis is only reputed or known for their management courses, MBA, BBA, them courses, and it is also reputed in between Bangalore, India and in SA also. It is mostly reputed. Then they're known for, as I said, it is mainly known for their management courses, MBA, BBA, PGDM also. Then the placement, so their average placement is 15 lakhs and their highest goes up to 40 to 45 lakhs. Then the scholarship, so you will get some decent scholarship like merit based, need based and sport based. Some scholarship will be based on your bachelor's degree CGPA marks. Around if you have 7 to 8 CGPA, then you will get a percentage of scholarships. Now comes to the conclusion. So if you want to pursue particularly management courses, so Symbiosis will be your best option. You can see there are multiple campus in Pune, Maharashtra and multiple places you will be see their campuses, and in Bangalore also they are having one campus. So for management courses you can choose Symbiosis. For PGDM also Symbiosis will be one of the best option for you. Their fees might be higher than other university, but your placement, as you can see, you can get around 15 to 16 lakhs. So for this and other options is also for you for PGDM courses, MS Ramaiah Institute of Management, then Christ University. I think Christ University will get MBA, and Geetam University Vizag campus, they are also offering PGDM courses. But in my personal opinion, you can obviously choose Symbiosis, because as it is known for their management courses, their placement is also good, their reputation is also good, they're international, they have global reputation. So what is your opinion? You can comment below. Thank you for watching.